Hello, third graders. This is Miss Nell again. I am showing you how to upload a document for your assignment. So I'm logged into Gracie. I'm going to go into her Google Classroom. It'll look a little bit different to yours, but it's the only way I could show you what it looks like from your end. So I'm going to go into Miss Snell's, of course, third grade. By the way, she was tired of me giving her homework. So I posted a new assignment for her, and it is a project. So this actually, if you look at this project, it has a lot of choices to it. You are going to can do a book review, create your own test, and actually, if you don't remember the book, there's an audiobook. Click here, and it will take you to the YouTube of where you can go to listen to the book. So it might not be bad to listen to it for a little bit, and you can start even writing questions if you're doing a test, or start thinking of a good book review for Bunnicula. So there should also be some links to it, but we're going to go there. We're just going to add an assignment, and you might want to do a Google Doc. We know how to do that. Or a Google Slide. So if you're going to do a slideshow, you're going to click on that one. And Google Slides is really cool. You probably know much more than this now, but I'm going to show you the basics. So it's generating a Google Slide to go with your assignment, or maybe doing a Google Doc if you're doing a test. But this is when it's really quick. Cool, you just click here, and then you start typing. If you're probably would use this one if you're going to do the book cover, the name of the book and the author, da, 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 da. But the things I want to show you are how to kind of change the color or to format a little bit. So you're going to do format. You're going to insert an image. That's if you're going to get something from the computer or your Google Drive. You are going to change the color of the background maybe. You want to have it a different color. You can do that. So many things that you can do here. So you would really only need a couple of them. This plus button over here shows you, that means I'm going to add a new slide. If you didn't like that slide, you can click on that slide, delete that slide. So again, that's how you would upload a Google Slide. All right, I hope this was helpful for you guys. I can't wait to see your projects. Bye. And then don't forget to turn in.